Hello everyone, this Matrix tutorial is going to be about reverse prospecting. Reverse prospecting is a tool that you can use to find users that may be interested in your listing. If your listing is included in the user search results, that user's agent will show up in the reverse prospecting report. You can access reverse prospecting reports in Matrix by dropping the My Matrix menu, clicking My Listings, viewing the active listings, and then selecting one and clicking Reverse Prospect. The report is going to include the agent's name that made the search and a reference number that the agent can use to identify their contact. It also includes the date your listing was sent to their client, a count of the total number of listings that the contact was sent, and an indicator of how their client interacted with your listing. You can see here that a few of their contacts favorited the listing. Click the agent's name to email them from within Matrix. If you're doing this, be sure to provide the reference number for them to find which contact viewed your listing. Once you've sent the email, a check mark will display under this contacted column. As the buyer's agent, you can decide whether you like your contact to show up in another agent's reverse prospecting reports by editing the settings of any auto email. You can also change this setting when editing your buyer's contact. The contact page will have a tab that shows any reverse prospecting messages for the client you're reviewing, and your client's reference number can be found on the contacts page. If you have a question that did not get answered in this tutorial, reach out to MLS support by emailing mls@cvrmls.com.